afternoon. Thank you for calling to see Water. This authorized to be. This is Will speaking. I'm help you.
This is Will?
Yeah, this is Will speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, Will, you know, I bought the phone from you guys a week ago, and the phone is like, you know, I don't know what happened. If I send a text to somebody, they send me the same text back. I don't know why the same text is coming back to me. Why doesn't it go to their phone? Is my phone racist or their phone racist that they are not receiving my text?
Yeah, ma'am. I will have to see your phone so I can pretty much check to see what's wrong with it or what I can do for you. Today we close at 8, so if you'd like to stop by, I can see what I can do for you.
Like, if today you close at 8?
Yes.
So can you do it tonight?
I will have to check, ma'am. Bring your phone over and
I can see what I can do with it. Did you just call me ma'am?
Excuse me?
Did you call me ma'am?
Ma'am.
Why did you call me ma'am? I am a guy speaking.
Okay. You can just come to the store and I can help you, sir.
Okay, but yeah, you gotta apologize now that you called me ma'am. I feel offended now.
Okay, well, I mean, I can distinguish the difference, sir, but okay, I apologize for that. Yeah, come on over and I'll see what I can do for you.
Okay, I will come over, but can you do it tonight? Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Hello?
Ma'am, I will have to see what I can do for you.
You just again call me ma'am.
I call you man.
Man?
Man.
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 But you know, you can call me sir. You just said sir, and now you're coming on man. Why are you switching the places? You know, like, this is not a good thing if you switch like that, you know.
Okay.
But can you tell me, like, if I come over there tonight, can you, like, you know, offer me some coffee and donuts?
Sure. Yeah, we can do that. We can buy a pizza and even some chips as well.
Oh, but you know, because I'm coming from a long drive, that's why.
Well, yeah, that's cool. Right, then we can go party after.
Party?
Yes.
Party? You mean party?
Yes.
Party? How we party? Where? Party where?
In Hollywood.
Hollywood? I mean, you know, like, yes. If we go potty is done in the bathroom, not in the Hollywood.
That's funny. Alright, who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?
I am your customer. Who do you think I am?
I'm sure you just... What's your name? That's what I'm asking.
Okay, can you write my name, please?
Okay.
Okay, my name, please write it carefully and I will tell you the spelling too. Okay? Rashid. R.
Okay.
A. S.
Okay.
H.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
D. And write the last name too.
Okay, sounds good, sir. Okay.
No,
so,
what about
we'll see you here, then.
What about the last name?
We have close at 8.
I mean, I know you close at 8, but what about my last name? You didn't write my last name.